anyone who can be in LA either on September 20th or on October 11th, you will have the opportunity for as little as $97. If you wait, it goes up to $197 in a special environment where we have actual airplane cabin mock-ups and a boarding area, which is something that most of you don't ever get to participate in until it's the day of the real life event. So take advantage of that. They're really good opportunities if you're in LA on September 20th or October 11th. And of course, these are leading up to something I'll talk about in just a minute, and that is our Fearless Flight or Clear for Takeoff 301 class, which is our flight class. But what do we do in here? On September 20th and October 11th, we'll be hosting this 101 class at Air Hollywood, and it's a full day in-person class created to help you reclaim your freedom to fly. And what makes us unique, as I mentioned before, is you'll be learning and practicing inside a real, we say narrow body, but sometimes they have a wide body up there. Difference is 1 aisle or 2 aisles. But in any case, it's the very same kind that we use in the Hollywood movies. And you'll be guided by me, along with some other folks there. Sometimes I have some mentors that come to this to keep their own skills up. You're going to be guided by people who understand flight anxiety, mostly me. And most importantly, it's a safe and forgiving environment where breakthroughs happen. And you'll take powerful steps to overcome your fear of flying with more confidence and peace of mind. You can expect a powerful mix of education. You can see the enthusiasm of these people actually sitting in the mock-up there. You get to walk through a real boarding process. We spend quite a bit of time there because that seems to be the best place for people to talk about what it's really like in anticipation of flying. There's going to be a live Q&A throughout the experience, and you can get answers to your most pressing questions. And for those ready for more, there's an optional mock boarding and seat exposure practice. You get a chance to rehearse flying without ever leaving the ground. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to finally step onto a plane with not with fear, but with confidence? If you really felt prepared and supported and proud of yourself for facing some of these things that once you felt impossible, that's exactly what we do in the 301 class. And it's not just another class, it's a culmination of everything you've been learning and practicing. It's a moment where your plan comes into action. You put a plan together, we help you do it in the 101 classes or the 201 or wherever you're at, and together we'll start walking you step by step through your tools, your panic plan, and your strategies. And then you put it all into practice on a real flight, side by side with other people who share the same kind of journey that you're on, and with me coaching you through every step of the way. You're not doing this alone. You'll be surrounded by other people, other fearful flyers. We do take a regular commercial flight on Southwest Airlines. We aren't able yet to charter the whole thing for ourselves. And every step of the way, you'll get reassurance and coaching and tools to calm that nervous system that's driving you crazy and to reframe your thoughts. You'll really discover that you can do this. The graduation flight, the 301 flight or class, is more than just getting from point A to point B. It's about reclaiming your freedom. It's about proving to yourself that you're stronger than the fear and that panic doesn't define your flight experience. You do. And just imagine walking off that plane with a smile, and that's what happens to everybody. Usually it happens within about the first 15 minutes of the flight. And you're going to get a graduation certificate, and you're going to know I faced my fear and I won. So if you're ready to take this journey to the next level, we invite you to take this class, the 301, Clear for Takeoff 301 graduation flight. It's a chance to celebrate all the hard work that you've done and experience firsthand what it feels like to fly with courage and confidence. It's a fun day. It's a long day for me. But it's a great opportunity, and there's nothing like it. You will make friends with people that you will probably stay in contact with the rest of your life. People sharing the same sorts of things. And in this picture, what you're seeing here is more than just a class. It represents transformation. And if you take the flight with us, you get a breakthrough. I'll guarantee it. the moment you step onto a real plane, not as a prisoner of panic, but as a participant in your own healing. And we'll be there to guide you every way. And by the end of the day, the smiles tell the story.